Communication is the backbone of any successful relationship, but even the strongest connections can suffer when communication breaks down. The good news is that with a few simple strategies you can quickly get your relationship back on track. Here's how to fix communication problems in your relationship, fast and easy. One of the most effective ways to improve communication is to practice active listening. This means giving your full attention to your partner when they speak, without interrupting or planning your response while they're talking. Nod, make eye contact, and acknowledge what they're saying to show you're engaged. After they've finished, repeat back what you've heard to ensure you've understood them correctly. Avoid beating around the bush when you need to express your thoughts or feelings. Be direct and honest, but also respectful. Use I statements to focus on your feelings rather than placing blame, like saying "I feel upset" when, instead of "you always." This approach reduces defensiveness and opens up a more productive conversation. Timing is crucial when addressing communication issues. Avoid bringing up sensitive topics when either of you is stressed, tired, or distracted. Choose a time when you're both calm and can focus on the conversation. This increases the likelihood of a positive outcome. Stay calm and collected. Arguments can quickly escalate when emotions run high. If you feel yourself getting angry or frustrated, take a step back. Breathe deeply and suggest a short break to cool down. Returning to the conversation with a clear mind will help you communicate more effectively. Set clear expectations. Miscommunication often stems from unclear expectations. Take the time to discuss what you each expect from the relationship and from each other. Whether it's about daily responsibilities, future plans, or how you communicate, being clear about expectations can prevent misunderstandings. Use technology wisely. While face-to-face communication is ideal, sometimes it's just not possible. In such cases, use technology to bridge the gap. Texts, video calls, and voice messages can help maintain communication when you're apart. However, avoid discussing serious issues over text to prevent misinterpretation. Practice patience. Improving communication takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and your partner as you work through issues. Celebrate small wins and recognize that progress is still progress, even if it's slow. Seek professional help. If communication problems persist, it might be time to seek help from a professional, such as a relationship counselor. They can provide guidance and tools tailored to your specific situation, helping you and your partner communicate more effectively. Final thoughts. Fixing communication problems in your relationship doesn't have to be a long, drawn-out process. By implementing these fast and easy strategies, you can enhance your connection and build a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. Remember, communication is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice.